Hello students, welcome to Abhyaas Law Prep. We have a good news today. MNLU Nagpur has released vacant seats for both B.A.LL.B Honours Program and also B.B.A.LL.B Honours Program. So, for looking at the notifications, you can directly visit our Abhyaas Law Prep website where we regularly update all the NLUs that have participated in the CLAT consortium and have released their vacant seat notifications. So at 19th number is MNLU Nagpur. We have given separate respective links for both the B.B.A.LL.B Honours Program and the B.A.LL.B Honours Program. So first let's take a look at the vacant seat notification for B.B.A.LL.B Honours Program. So as we can see here, there is a eligibility for the candidates who want to apply under this vacant seat notification. So the eligibility is that you have to either be the rank of 7,000 or below 7,000. Okay, you cannot be above 7,000. If you are ineligible to apply for the same. So ensure that while you are applying under this notification, your rank is below 7,000. Okay, so you have to have this documents ready with you. One is your CLAT 2025 admit card, CLAT 2025 score card, and if you belong to any Maharashtra reserved category, then you will also need to have your caste certificate with you. So this eligibility of 7,000 AIR, that is All India rank, is only for the application through All India general category. But if you belong to a reserved category in the state of Maharashtra, so if you have Maharashtra domicile and if you also have any other reservation, then you don't have any such rank eligibility. So no matter what your rank is, you can still apply under this vacant seat notification. Okay, and the last date for applying under this notification is July 6th, 11:59 p.m. That is the end of the day. So make sure you fill this Google form that is given here, or you can scan it here. So click on this and you will be redirected to this page. Okay, and in this page, fill in your full name as per your 10th mark sheet, your father's name, mother's name, your gender, date of birth, your CLAT 2025 admit card number, and also you have to upload the PDF document of your CLAT admit card and your score card and your All India rank. Make sure you just mention your All India rank, not your category rank or anything for that matter. Make sure that you're mentioning only your All India rank. And if you belong to any other states or the union territories, make sure that you don't write those short forms like Andhra Pradesh, AP. Make sure you write it in full form. If it is Andhra Pradesh, write Andhra Pradesh. Or if it is Uttar Pradesh, write Uttar Pradesh. So don't write short forms, and ensure that you are selecting the right category. Okay, so you can select this PWD category. There's also PWD category. Even if you're not belonging to the Maharashtra state, you can still avail PWD category or unreserved general category. Okay, and click on the same. And you'll have to also have your non-creamy layer certificate. So that is that you are under the OBC category of the Maharashtra state. You need to get the attestation done by your MRO, local MRO, or whoever that is a certifying authority. Find out and ensure that you have the proof of the same, that you are the OBC category of Maharashtra state, and have your 10th mark sheet ready. Upload the same also, and uploading your 12th mark sheet is not mandatory, as we can see here. And click on I agree and submit it. So you have the list of all the documents that you need to have to fill this form: scorecard, admit card, and your 10th mark sheet. So that's it. You will have to, after filling this form, you'll have to wait for the merit list to be out. Okay, there is no application fee as such. If we observe here, the merit list will be out by July 8th, 2025. So after the merit list is out and your name is in the merit list, you will have to make the payment by July 13th. Okay, so keep checking for the merit list updates. Okay, and ensure that you're following Abhyaas Law Prep and also MNLU website regularly, so that you'll see if your name is there. And this is all the process after you get selected through the merit list. You'll have to make the payment to this account and send the receipt of that payment to account there at Nagpur and also this email. Two emails that is being mentioned here. You'll have to make the full payment of for 1 year to this mails, and you'll have to, for knowing this fee structure, you'll have to visit this Nagpur website and find out, and then pay the fees for the same. Okay, then this is for the B.B.A.LL.B honors program. Now let's take a look at B.A.LL.B honors program. So there's a separate link here as I mentioned. Click the same. As we can see here, the eligibility is different. So there is up to 7,000 in B.B.A.LL.B notification, and in B.A.LL.B notification, the general category eligibility is up to 6,000. So make sure that you are below your rank, your all India rank, not category rank. Your all India rank should be below 6,000. Only then you're eligible to apply. But if you have a reservation and if you belong to Maharashtra state domicile, even if your rank is very low or very high, you can still apply. That is, there is no eligibility for reserved candidates from the state of Maharashtra. You'll have to open this form and you'll have to fill the same before July 6th. So the deadline is the same. The merit list will be out on a similar dates. Okay, so you'll have to enter your full name, your father's name, mother's name, fill in all your details, your scorecard, category certificate, choose your category, which category that you belong to. Okay, because the university has reserved seats for the Maharashtra domicile candidates. So if you're applying from any other state or union territory, that is, if you're applying from any state, you'll still have to choose the unreserved and general category, correct? So here there is also PWD. For the All India General category, there is this PWD quota also that is set aside. So if you're from different state and not Maharashtra, you'll either have to go with the unreserved category option or the general PWD category option, that you're physically disabled, if you have the necessary proof of the same and if you are falling under that category. And you'll also have to upload your disability certificate. It's not just that you fill in that form and then you just leave it. You have to fill up your disability certificate or the caste certificate if you are applying under any of these castes in the state of Maharashtra, and your 10th mark sheet, and then click on submit. So you can apply for both B.A.LL.B honors program and B.B.A.LL.B honors program. And wait, you can do that one after another because they are in two different forms. And make sure you complete this process by July 6, 11:15, 9 p.m. For more updates, keep checking the website for the release of merit list notification. Follow Abhyaas Law Prep. Stay tuned. Thank you.